it's Natalie May here, a Master Educator for Lindy's. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick and simple layout using the Drop Dead Diva Starburst Spray Set. Now before I start, I always test my colours just to make sure that I know exactly what I'm playing with. I started on a lovely flat cardstock using Blingy Blonde to dip my paintbrush straight into the bottle and just do some big wide streaks straight onto the page. I then repeated the process with Drop Dead Gorgeous Green, blending it slightly into that lovely yellow, then Sassy Sapphire, blending it more into the green. I then used the High Maintenance Magenta and then the Prima Donna Purple was after that. So sometimes the colours will bleed into each other if you let it overlap too much. If you don't like this particular look, as shown here, you can paint over the top, or you could just soak up those colours with the end of your paintbrush. Super easy. Once the layer was dry, I used a thinner paintbrush just to dip into the bottles and add a little bit of a splatter over the top of the colour. I love that the colour intensifies with those splatters. They just look so sweet and super easy. So now I'll let you in on my little secret. When your paper gets all wonky, run it through a laminator. It irons it out beautifully. I wanted to add a few little highlights, so I used my sewing machine for my embellishments. Comes out once every now and again. I'm a terrible sewer, but I love the way that it looks. The centerpiece of my layout is this beautiful Love cameo cut that I purchased from Wild Pilot Etsy shop. Absolutely beautiful, just cut out on white cardstock as well. So that's a nice simple layout that anyone can do just using your sprays. And I'll leave you with some photos of my assistant Ollie, who helped me out taking these photos. Have a fantastic day, and here's all the information you need. And I can't wait to see all your creations.